Hello everyone, this is CA Neha Agarwal from BISP Solutions, and today we'll see how we create and manage legal entity in the Oracle Fusion financial applications. So first we'll understand the terms which are relating to legal entities. Legal entity is a entity which is identified and given rights and responsibilities by a commercial law through the registration with country's appropriate authority. Then legal employer is a legal entity that employs people, and payroll statutory unit is a legal entity registered to report payroll taxes and social insurance. A legal employer can also be a payroll statutory unit, but a payroll statutory unit can represent multiple legal employers. So that means that payroll statutory unit can contain legal employers, but legal employer is a single legal entity that can employ people. Understanding more about the legal employer and payroll statutory unit. A legal employer is a legal entity that employs workers, and legal employer is captured at work relationship level, and all assignment within that relationship are automatically with that legal employer. However, a payroll statutory unit are legal entities that are responsible for paying workers, including the payment of payroll taxes and social insurance. Payroll statutory unit can pay and report on payroll tax and social insurance on behalf of one or more legal entities as per the structure design of the enterprise. Now, what are the ways through which we can create legal entities? The enterprise structure configurator can be used to create legal entities for our enterprise automatically based on the countries in which the division of our business operates. So for an example, if you are not knowing how many legal entities should be created in the system, we can create legal entities through this enterprise structure configurator. In this, you will have to first identify all the countries in which your enterprise operates. The application opens the map division by country page, which contains a matrix of countries you defined. You will have to select the check boxes where your enterprise and divisions intersect with the countries to identify the legal entities that you want the application to create. In this way, you can create the legal entities and identify the number of legal entities required by your enterprise. You can also upload a list of legal entities from the spreadsheet. Using spreadsheet, you must have a list of legal entities already defined. In this, you will have to first download the template and then add your legal entity information and then directly upload it to your enterprise configuration. The third option is you can use the task manage legal entity to manually create and manage legal entities in Fusion applications. So we'll go in the instance and see how we can use this task manage legal entity to create and manage our legal entities in the application. So moving to the application. So this is our instance. We'll go to setup and maintenance from the setting and action tab. From here, task list, we'll select manage implementation project. And we'll select our project, which was Fusion Financial Project. And over here, we'll first create the legal address. We'll search for the task manage legal addresses. We'll select this hyperlink and then click on the go to task. If our location or the address is already created, we can search it from here. As we have to create a new address, we'll click on create icon. So we'll select the postal code from here. So this way the details are automatically filled. However, if you want, we can write any address line. This is as per the client's detail given to us or provided to us by the client. So this is our address which we have just now created. We can just save and close. And then we'll search for the task manage legal entity. From here, we'll click the go to task option. So under this, you can see we have to select the scope. If our legal entity is already created, we can just click on select and add. As we have to create a new legal entity, we'll select the option create new and click on apply and go to task. So these are the already created legal entity. To create a new one, we'll click on create icon. So United States is the name of the country. We'll select Fusion US legal entity. We can give the name. Legal identity identifier is a unique global identifier for a legal entity participating in any financial transactions. It is a code which helps in clearly and uniquely identifying any legal entity. So we can give any code to this legal entity. Start date can be the date of registration of this legal entity. However, we'll take today's date as the start date. We have created a jurisdiction and selected it as an identifying jurisdiction. Therefore, the jurisdiction is available over here, Fusion USA tax jurisdiction. We can select the legal address which we have created right now by the name provided. This is the address which we have created. We can select the place of registration. Say I am selecting New York, and your legal entity can be a legal employer or a payroll statutory unit. If you will select legal employer, you will have to specify the payroll statutory unit for your legal entity. However, as it is unknown that whether our legal entity is a legal employer or a payroll statutory unit, I will be enabling both the options, and there can be a case that your entity is a legal employer as well as a payroll statutory unit for other legal employer. You can give the corporate identification number as per the client's details provided to you. However, for the purpose of illustrating, I am giving a number. In the same way, this is the tax registration number, which is provided by the client to us. We can give it. So this is the corporate identification number and the tax registration number, which we will get when we will register under a specific statute. So this way we create our legal entity and we will click on save and close. So now if you will go and select the legal entity which we have created, we have to just click on select and add. apply and go to task, and our created legal entity will be available over here. This way we have selected our legal entity for these tasks. So this was all about creating and managing the legal entity. Hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.